Hi, I'm Mikey.
I'm Caleb.
Hi, I'm Milash.
We're reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Parents. So, we had this question. So, turns out Mikey was right. Scribbler was catching on to the book. Scribbler was catching on to the book, you know what I mean? And now I have this another question. He's thinking that Scribbler is going to veto the book.
Wait, here, I'm going to go see if there's any signposts.
There is one. Aha moment.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's not an aha moment there, because he hasn't found it. Here, one sec. I know the signpost.
I'm just going to check if there's any signposts.
That's a tough question.
That's a tough question because he can't figure out whether he's going to veto the book or not.
Yeah.
So I need to go look it up to look at the tough question.
So Caleb, like he says, we're gonna go check that. So, like we said, the question is Scribbler gonna veto?
What does this question make me wonder about? There's plenty of things. This question makes me wonder about, will Steve's book ever get famous again? Doesn't it make you wonder about that? Seriously, after he vetoes it, the parents are going to find out. They're going to be like, what, you've been making this? Is that why you did this? Blah, 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 blah. And then that's going to reinforce it maybe even more not to go on vacation.
And also, with the book, here's the thing that I thought of. So, if he doesn't get the book approved, the students might think that it's a bad book and might want their money back.
Because the students would know. The students would know that it's just not appropriate. That's why. Right? Wouldn't you think? Because they wouldn't think that's a bad book because they already read it and they liked it.
Yeah.
So that's why I completely disagree about that. Also, this makes me wonder about Steve's parents find out. Right? That's a huge question. I really actually wanted to do that instead of
because if they notice Steve starts looking at his different book again, that might be like a big thing.
They could find out. That might be a big
They might ask, why do you have to do your book again? And he would be like, he vetoed it. And they might ask, why would he veto your book?
Or also they might just call him mom if they're in big trouble.
Yeah. Do you have anything to say about the question?
No. Does it make you wonder about anything?
Yeah. Like what's going to happen to Steve's book?
Yeah. So, are you done? Okay, you're going to
No.
Oh, you are done?
Yeah.
Okay, so this also makes me think about why did Steve make this book anyway?
Oh, yeah.
What started him? Because just out of the blue, he started making it. He's like, I want to make a book. What caused him to want to make it?
Maybe
his parents were being annoying, but yeah, maybe that's not the reason I would make it.
Maybe like to make money like he is. Maybe he thought other students would want to read it so he can make like a ton of money off it. Like he already has $90 just selling copies.
Yeah. And how does he make those copies? Does he handwrite them?
I'm guessing he handwrites the first.
Oh no, and then prints it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of an off-topic question, but you have anything else to say?
No.
No. Okay, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.